What's going on, guys? iOS 14 has been out for a little bit now, and I figured I'd make a video to show some of the changes that were made in the Reminders app. Now, some of these changes help speed up your workflow, while others are more on the cosmetic side. And before we jump in, if you're new here and you want more news, reviews, and how-tos for your phone, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out. Now let's jump in so I can show you the changes made to the revamped Reminders app. First, we're going to start with the assigning reminders feature. You want to open a shared list and then tap on the person icon right above the keyboard. Then you'll see the names of who you can select to assign the specific reminder to. Next, we'll move on to rearranging or hiding smart lists. From the main screen, you will press Edit Up in the top right. You will then see the check marks next to each list. All you have to do is press the blue check marked circle to hide the specific list, then press Done. If you want to rearrange the lists, just select the list by tapping and holding over on the right side with 3 lines and drag it to where you want, and then tap Done when you're finished. Moving on, I'm going to show you how you can create faster and easier reminders. While on the list screen, press New Reminder in the bottom left corner. That was a really quick one for you guys, but it's there, so I figured I'd point it out. Now, if you're like me and you want to stay more organized, then you'll want to customize your lists. To do this, first open a list, then tap the 3 dots in the right corner and select Name and Appearance. Tap the name field to rename it, then hit Done on the keyboard. Next, you can select specific colors, emojis, or symbols. Once you find out what you like, be sure to hit Done in the top right corner. Now we'll move on to editing multiple reminders at one time. This is very helpful, and when you're in a time crunch or you just want to change things at the same time, it's a great shortcut. It's very simple to use. First, you want to open a list, then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner, then tap Select Reminders. Once you get to this screen, select your reminders you want. You can then add date, time, move them, delete, mark as completed, and flag them, just as you see here. It's pretty cool stuff to save a little bit of time. The next feature is the new calendar and time picker. First, create a new reminder, then press Details. You will see the calendar and time listed. This is more of a cleaner cosmetic look than before, but I definitely like it. The next change I really like is better search. Now, you have the option to search for people, locations, and notes. You can do this by tapping the search bar at the top and start searching for what you're looking for. So for example, I have a beach trip coming up at some point. I can search for Ocean City and it'll bring up that specific reminder as you see here. I really like the new updates that iOS 14 brings to the new Reminders app. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like them or hate them? And does it help you out at all? And be sure to watch some of these videos next on more iPhone how-tos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.